Looking for a simple, hydrating way to support your body's natural detox process? Cucumber lemon water is a refreshing choice that helps flush out toxins and reduce bloating. This infused water blend is hydrating, light, and perfect for daily sipping. What you'll need: 1/2 lemon, thinly sliced 1/4 cucumber. Thinly sliced, save 2 slices if you'd like to use them as a cooling eye compress. Ice cubes, cold water. Instructions: in a large pitcher, add the lemon and cucumber slices. Fill with ice and cold water. Let the mixture sit in the fridge for 10–30 minutes before serving. Pour into a glass and enjoy throughout the day. When the pitcher is 1/4 full, simply refill with more water. The flavors will continue to infuse. Cucumbers offer anti-inflammatory benefits, while lemons are rich in vitamin C and can help support immunity. This is a great drink to keep in a fridge-ready infuser bottle, so you can stay hydrated and refreshed all day long. Like and subscribe for more natural wellness tips.